What's up, everybody? Today we have some taillights for the 4th gen 4Runner from 4R Customs. I used ChatGPT to throw a couple different taillights on the truck, and these were the ones that I ended up really liking. There are a lot of other ones on eBay, Amazon, stuff like that, but they have some different wiring with this set. They came with stickers, so it was worth it just for that alone. Here's the taillights, so we can see they got foam packing. Very nice and secure in here. And we can see we got a little second package in here, which is always cool. When I just bought the lights now, they were $250, free shipping to the US, which is super awesome. So let's see what's in our little side bag here. 4R Customs patch, Life Spitter Off-Road, which is pretty sick. I don't have any patches, so that'll be pretty cool to add on. We've got 2 stickers, so essentially all of this was free. Everyone knows if it comes with stickers, it's better. So we've got 2 stickers, and then we've got a card as well with a 4th gen 4Runner on the front, and then there's some helpful links. So here are both the tail lights. Take off the protective film. Check those out. Those are pretty sharp. So some of the ones on eBay and stuff are, this glass is tinted, or not glass, but this lens is tinted, and I'm not a big fan of tinted taillights. See, we have a little bit of custom wiring here, some nice Tessa tape, so that looks good. And then we've got the OEM harness ready to get plugged in there as well. So foam's on there to seal it, and then we can see we've got a little heat sink in there as well for something. So that's ran through there. Got a little bit of Tech Flex, some Tessa tape, so yeah, looks nice. I really see that as a big complaint kind of with the eBay ones, that they're not bright enough, or you can't tell when you're actually hitting the brake. So that this should remedy that, as you're getting that extra light come on when you hit the brake. So as far as installing, we've got the clip and 2 10s, and that's it. So yeah, let's go ahead and pop off our panel inside the 4Runner and grab a 10 mil. And then I'm just going to grab a plastic pry tool just to take off the trim piece that we have inside the trunk here. This right one has a crack in it, and it's starting to get some water, and a couple of the LEDs got burnt out. Okay, so once we're in the trunk here on the side, we'll look at this panel right here. You can see there's a little thing to put our pry tool under. Don't use a flathead for this unless you want to scratch it. But yeah, that's all that is. So just a little cover. So that's our reverse camera is in there. But there we can see is our first 10. Then we've got our main plug. There's the second 10 mil way up there. So it is a little high. Looking on the other side, we got the same thing with our connector. So now we've got our 2 10mm nuts ready to go for the next. And we've unplugged our plug as well to the light. So I believe there is a clip. So now there's our light out. Okay, so there's that all nice and cleaned off. So here they are next to each other, and here's the back of each. So we can see everything's pretty much the same. We just got a pigtail on this one. A couple things line up there down the side. And then obviously make sure your studs go in the correct holes. Looking super sharp, really like that. So here's our pigtail, there's our stock connector. There we go. Then we're going to take our 2 10 mils and thread them on to the studs that came through there. So I'm just going to hand tighten them for now, and then we will go back with our wrench and actually tighten them. Okay, so as we take a look in our hole here, we can see our harness comes out. We've got 1 10 mil nut there on. There is our second 10 mil, and we're nice and snug up on that. To finish off this side, we're gonna put our panel back on. Goes in there first, then we just pop it down like that. So there's the 2 brakes next to each other. So yeah, I really like the look of that. It looks a lot nicer. And see what it looks like versus the stock light. I need a tripod.
have the I got shaky hand. Oh wait, it looks way better.
It's kind of sick. Come on.
Wait a second, the POV. Like a drone.
I need a drone footage guy.
Makes it look way newer.
Yeah, the light really does make it look
Like it looks
newer.
much more modern.
Yeah.
Especially without like the old yellow incandescent light.
I cannot have an incandescent light on my vehicle.
No, it is nice. It just looks better. I like the darker.
Tuck this connector down. Just gonna do the same thing. Give it a quick wipe down. Okay, there's that. Let's go ahead and grab our other taillight. There she is. Wow. 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 Okay, so install wise, we're doing the same thing. Put your pigtail in the middle hole there. Connected and tucked down here. Make sure nothing's getting crimped or anything like that. Make sure everything's got plenty of room, and we are tightened. So yeah, these do take a little bit to tighten because you're kind of essentially squishing down the foam that's behind them. So just keep that in mind.
Oh, I like that. Yeah, me too.
Alright, there's the hazards on. Pretty good look at them, at least in the daytime here. I know we're not directly in the sun. I think it's still a good representation of how bright they are. Also, almost forgot the most important part of the install. That is super sick. I'll be straight with you. So I think I'm gonna start putting them there. If I get some more, I can keep going down the line here. So anyways, I will see you guys at nighttime. All right, so now we are at nighttime. Okay, go ahead and turn the lights on. Okay, so there's both lights on. Okay, hit the brake. So as we can see, this bottom light comes on. Let go of it and push it a couple times. Okay, do it again. So I think you can definitely tell when you're braking. Okay, there's your turn signal. So you got the sequentials. Okay, and then here's reverse. So I don't know if you can tell or not, but these reverse lights are pretty bright. Okay, go back into park. So there's the reverse lights off. So that's it. So that is the taillight installation. I hope this helped you guys. And if you guys want to check these out, I have a link in the description. And feel free to check them out. Thanks for watching. We just hit 600 subscribers, so that was pretty cool. And yeah, appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.
Make money, earn, crack money, drug money, bail money. Heard they got life for me, how they got life for me when they took that from me. Since I had my nose, yeah.